Hi guys, welcome to Techno. AliExpress has become one of the most famous online shopping websites which offer different products at comparatively fewer prices. Also, it has the biggest product range as compared to any other online shopping website. In today's video, we will be showing you some of best gadgets on AliExpress. All the links to the products are in the description. Without further ado, let's begin. Bossiest WM01 TWS Bluetooth Earphones. From the house of one of the best and top brands, Bossiest WM01 Bluetooth stereo earphones are equipped with Bluetooth 5.0, noise cancellation, and touch control make them perfect for gaming and regular usage. Easy to pair, long playtime, fast charging, and all that you are looking for in any good and expensive earphones. These are compatible with iOS, Android, and other Bluetooth support devices. i12 TWS Touch Control Earphone. i12 TWS are the most selling Bluetooth earphones on AliExpress. It is the best budget fake AirPods that is a perfect clone copy. i12 TWS has touch controls to allow you to play or pause the music, increase and decrease the volume, wake up the voice assistant, Siri, and answer or reject the call. Bluetooth 5.0 technology will give you a good transmission distance and low power consumption. Adjustable Kids Safety Headphones. Kids' headphones are designed in such a way that their hearing and ear remain unaffected. These headphones are specially designed for kids. It has a built-in automatic volume limiter which will protect the hearing of kids. Lightweight, comfortable, and adjustable earmuffs and headband to make the kid comfortable. Suitable for all devices with a 3.5mm audio jack and Bluetooth devices. Reta Dual Drive Stereo Wired Earphone. This is one of the best-seller wired earphones in the headphone category of AliExpress. Dual bass sound unit design, excellent bass response. Compatible for all mobiles, MP3 players, and digital audio devices. It has a functional controller for mobile phones and can be switched between music and call easily. Best choice for music lovers. Thermal sensor heat induction full back phone case. Mobile cases are now a compulsory need for smartphone users for the protection of their expensive mobiles. Having a good and unique case will be a desire for every smartphone user, and this is one of the unique mobile cases. When you will hold the mobile with this cover, it will leave your hand impression on the case, which will disappear after a few seconds. Waterproof mobile phone case. Nowadays, new mobiles are coming with water resistance, but still not all the mobiles are waterproof. This case is the best option for you if you are using a mobile on the beach, swimming pool, or you want to do some photography inside water. Digital microscope for smartphone. This is one of the best AliExpress gadgets that is very useful for emerging scientists and researchers. This wireless microscope with a 1080p HD resolution offers a clear view. This will enable you to capture photos and record videos at 1080p. Bluetooth Virtual Laser Keyboard for smartphones. Feeling difficulty in typing on mobile? If you are doing a big typing work on a smartphone, this amazing gadget is perfect for you. There are two laser keyboards that are available. One is the Black Classic and the other is white. It has a 2500 mAh battery capacity and will give you a 6-hour duration of the operation. Multifunctional Lazy Bed Bracket Smartphone Holder. Using a mobile phone while working requires a good mobile holder. This is the best multifunctional mobile holder that can be used in different places, either you are in your kitchen, bedroom, etc. It is one of the best mobile holders available on AliExpress. NFC Smart Ring for mobile phone. A multifunction smart ring that is available in different sizes on AliExpress is an amazing gadget. It is a wearable electronic smart ring and can connect NFC card readers like a door lock or cell phone to unlock. Its health module can improve human performance effectively. Luminous Gaming Mousepad Colorful Glowing USB LED. Being one of the best AliExpress finds, it is a large RGB mousepad that has built-in LED lighting. A perfect choice for gaming lovers. It is the best alternative to a normal mousepad and will give a real gaming feel. Cable Organizer Desktop Tidy Management Clip Cable Holders. The organization of cables of PC is a universal problem. Everyone wants to get rid of this. Even the use of the laptop has reduced a lot of cables, but still, the table is full of cables. This gadget will be helpful to organize the cables of your desktop. 9-in-1 multi-port USB hub Type-C, HDMI, USB 3.0, RJ45, SD-TF card. This is one of the best sellers of USB hub on AliExpress. It is 9-in-1 device that supports all types of input needed for your laptop or computer. It will give you a 4K HD display through an HDMI port, 1000 megabytes through RJ45, 3 USB 3.0 ports, SD and TF card ports, 3.5mm audio jack port, and a Type-C USB port. Vacuum portable cooling fan for laptop. Heating is bad for laptop health and reduces the performance of the laptop. This is a unique vacuum cooling fan specially designed for laptops. With turbine wind pressure, it extracts hot air out from a running system. With 4 ventilation-compatible connectors with all types of notebook outlets. USB Warmer Gadget cartoon for coffee or tea. If you are working long hours in front of your computer or laptop and usually forget to drink your hot coffee, and when you remember, it got cold. This one of the best AliExpress gadgets is a very amazing gadget that is perfect for you because it will keep your cup of coffee, tea, or any other hot drink always warm. Funny astronaut adjustable USB LED light for computer. Working in the night without disturbing the other is now possible with this small, funny, and amazing LED light. Sometimes it happens that we are working late at night and some of the family members, friend, or roommate is trying to sleep but cannot because of the light. Windshield car ice scraper. Usually in winter during snow falling cars will be covered with snow. Later it will become a hard layer of snow which is difficult to remove. For this purpose, you need a tool that can be used to remove and scratch the ice from the windshield. Bring this ICS scraper, which is designed for this purpose. Universal steel truck car wheels tire snow ice chains for road safety. Driving in snow can lead to some accidents if you did not make some safety arrangements due to slipping of your car. This is one of the best-seller gadgets of AliExpress, which will save your car from slipping in extreme snow. It is made of manganese steel material and is high strength and pressure resistance. Anti-fog, anti-glare, and waterproof car mirror window protective film. This film is one of my favorite and best things on AliExpress. Driving in the fog or rain is always difficult because of less visibility. For security purposes, nobody should travel in such bad weather, but in case you are traveling or the weather of your area is mostly like, then this protective film will help you. Magic glue to clean your car interior. Usually, the car service station does not clean up the buttons, gaps, air vents, etc. properly. You will see the dust later because this dust cannot be removed by vacuum or blower. But this magic glue will remove that dust particle that cannot be removed by a strong suction power vacuum or blower. So guys, let me know down in the comments section below, which one you like the most and why. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.